Hey, what's up guys? On this video, we will see how to reduce photo file size on any iPhone. Now to do that, first of all, just open the Photos app. Now from here, just select the photo which you want to reduce the size of. For an example, I will select this photo. Now once you select your photo, just tap on Share. And from here, you will find the option of Save to Files. Just tap on it. Now from here, just select the file which you want to save your photos in. Then tap on Save. Now once you do that, just go to your home screen and open the Files app. Now just tap on Browse and open the folder which you have saved your photos in. Now as you can see, this is the photo which I want to reduce the size of. Now just tap and hold on the photo, and from here just select Quick Actions. Then tap on Convert Image. Now just select your file format. I will select JPEG, and from here just select your image size. For an example, if I select large, as you can see, this is a large copy of this image. As you can see, the size of the large image is 242 KB. Now if I tap and hold on the original image, from here just go to Quick Actions, then tap on Convert Image. Now I will select JPEG, and from here if I select small, it will create a small copy of this image. As you can see, the large copy is 242 KB and the small copy is only 20 KB. Now to save this image back to your Photos app, just tap on the three dots over here and tap on Select. Now just select the photo which we have reduced the size of, then tap on Share. And from here you will find the option of Save Image. Just tap on it. Now once you do that, now just go to your home screen and open the Photos app. Now as you can see, this is the image which we have reduced the size of, just like that. And as you can see, this is the original image. And this is how you can reduce the photo file size on any iPhone. Make sure to like, comment, and subscribe. Thank you for watching.